Okay, now we are live. Welcome to Smarter R. So today we will learn how to calculate ETCCDI indices by using R for consecutive wet days. So first we load our required libraries, which is the player and lubricate. This is for the player is for data manipulation and lubricate for date handling. So load this package. If you haven't load this package, you can install the packages first and then load it. I already run it. And now we set our working directory, set WD. So I put my data set here in my directory here, EYs. So my data set is here. I put it here. And then after I put my data set, I will read my CSV file. This is my CSV file. So my read CSV. So prepare your data in CSV file. My CSV file is this one, chips GLB grid 005. So this is our data set. So we have year, month, day, column, and then all the rainfall data from grid V1 to grid 109. So I use gridded data set, daily rainfall. So to calculate ETCCDI indices, you need at least a daily rainfall. So I have data set from 1981 to 2021. So prepare your data like this. If you have station data, just replace this V1, V2, V3 to your station data. Arrange your data more or less something like this. How many data is doesn't matter. You can still use my code. I will tell you how. So after that, you read our dataset. You see, we also can view our dataset by using the view function. This is the variable date just now. And then we can view it. You see year, month, day, and then all our dataset from V1 until V09. You can just expand this and then it will show everything. 09, something like up there. You can see all the dataset, our dataset from 1981 to 2021. So use view function. And then step 4, we convert year, month, day columns into a date format. So we want to have a date format. This is important because I'll somehow need to get this kind of date format so it's easier for it to calculate. So we use a date and then we create another column, $ date. We will create another column to prepare another format of date. So we prepare it using a function as date, paste it by using date year, date month, date day. So we run this code and then we will see how our dataset looks like after we run this. After we create another date format at the end. So we will have another column, additional column, year, month, day. But at the end, we will see another column. Yeah, another column for date format. So we turn this format just now, which every column, year, month, and day, into this format. So if okay. Here from 1981, year, month, day until 2021 December. So prepare this another column first. After we prepare that column, we define the function to calculate cumulative wet days for a given vector of precipitation value. So this is the equation, the function that we want, how we calculate wet days. So wet days, we use this function for precipitation vector, which is the days of the vector, days, rainy days. So we want wet days will be defined as precipitation value 1 or higher than 1. Higher than 1 or equal to 1. So that is we consider as wet days. Now we want to calculate it consecutively. So we will calculate consecutive wet days. After that, if the maximum amounts of the maximum maximum wet days, it will be replaced with the another maximum amount by using this code. So every year we will calculate the most maximum wet days for each year by using this code. This is the function or the equation to calculate it. We will not be able to view this data because this is just like equation, just like a function. how to calculate it. We will not find anything. You see, this show you error or something. There is no data there. Even if we run like this, it will just show you the equation. This is only a function to calculate how to calculate wet days, consecutive wet days, based on our definition, which is any wet days with rainfall 1 millimeter or equal to 1 millimeter higher than 1 millimeter, it is considered rainfall, and then how long it consecutively happen. And if there is days that is 3 days wet days, and then there is another day that is wet days more than 15 days, it will replace with the maximum amount, maximum wet days. So after that, we create a data frame to store the annual CW result. So we create a new data frame by using year, because our result will be in year, annual CWD. So we run this one. So this is just empty data frame. Actually, it must be in the form of data frame. It must be data frame. So we put here, we view it. You see, it's just empty data, nothing there, only year. After this, we will put the loop of each. It will calculate each column, calculate it, and then put it into this empty data point, empty data frame, and then we will get our result. And then we make a loop to each column. So our data set just now start from the fourth column until 112. So we start from fourth column. You see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see count 4 until 12. You put it here. The grid point that you want to calculate, or the station data that you want to calculate. If your station data is up until maybe 50, you can just put it 50. But my data set is until 112. So you can just arrange your data like this as CSV file as input data. Any station, you can put it there, and then you can calculate. You will be able to calculate each station, each grid point easily by using this loop function. And then we nested the loop to calculate CWD for each year and each column. So we use this function, we calculate. Now we have the function just now, right? This function. We already have function. This function we will put into this loop. To calculate. You see annual CW, calculate CWD. We'll put it, calculate CWD here. It will calculate here for all grid point from 4 until 112 for each station. So it calculate, see, very fast. And then we can view our dataset result here. Actually, view. You can view annual. This is our result, annual CWD. Put it, because we put all our result into the empty data frame just now here, annual CWD. And then after we put the result here, this is that empty data frame just now. Now we have all the result. So this is all the consecutive wet days for each grid point for each year. Makes consecutive wet days based on the definition given by ETCCDI indices. So now we want to print our dataset into CSV file. So write as CSV.csv, and then I put it as CWD manual row name is false, and then run it. Okay, now it's calculate this one, cumulative wet day manual. So we can see manual, the result is year, because the result is annual result, which year have the highest consecutive wet days. We see one in 1981 is quite high, 24 days wet days, almost 1 month. Let's see the result. Some days, there's almost 1 month, but still less than 1 month. There's consecutive wet days. It can happen in Malaysia. So this means in Malaysia, it can happen in 3 weeks. It's possible for rainfall to happen in 3 weeks consecutively. So it is a concern for flood event or something like that. Maybe this year there is flood event. Almost every year actually we have flood event, but the highest wet days here, maximum wet days, might be the worst flood happen. So this is the code, the result. So the unit for this result, I closed this already. So the unit for the result is days. So we have 24 days consecutive wait days. The result is unit is days. 21 days here, 11 days, 13 days, 15 days. So 17 days consecutive wait days. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Please like this video, comment, and if you have any suggestion, just put in the comment section. I will help to prepare the code for you. Thank you for watching.